Students, today we will be learning Chapter 19, Human Development. Now, what is human development? According to UNDP, that is United Nations Development Programme, human development is the progress of extending human aspirations and essential substances services. Now, what is the meaning of human development? The process of enlarging people's freedom and opportunity and improving their well-being is called human development. You can see some more points like UNDP's definition. Now, what is included? Education, health, nutrition. It also says that the agencies or the media or the political leaders, they often use this term human development. It is a man-centered direction of the development. The objective is for everybody's life. By human development, we can assess everyone's progress. Equality, stability, production and empowerment are the important pillars of the main four pillars of human development are equality, stability, production and empowerment. It's a creative life according to one's own taste, interest, skill, intelligence and capabilities. Human development is required as we see a lot of difference is there between two countries. Difference are seen between two regions of the country. In order to improve the quality of life, there is need to satisfy basic requirements like food, clothing and shelter. Afterwards, the need of education, health, entertainment, etc. is needed. This can be provided individually or the government can take over. Now, we know that earlier human concept of development was to see the per capita income of an individual. If your per capita income is increasing, that means you are developing. This concept were considered, and nation-wise or world-wise we were seeing the GNP, that is the gross national product. If it is increasing, you are developing. This was our earlier concept, but further this proved to be wrong, because your income may increase, but it's not necessary that you have developed or there is a quality of life. If quality of life increases in an individual or in a country, then only we can say that the country or the individual has developed. So that concept has taken into a wrong place, where it was considered earlier that per capita income or national income should increase to have a development. But today's concept, we say that quality of life of the people should increase, and this we can get the information only by seeing the human development index or the human development what we have learned now. To find out this, we have a theory on it, that is called your human development index, that later on you will be learning about it. So what was the old thought of nations with respect to human development? They believe that if we can evaluate only on the basis of economic growth. They thought higher the economic growth, higher the human development. Country focused only on increasing economic growth, that is your per capita income should increase, then your human development increased. The world concentrated only on increasing the GNP, that is gross national product. So to increase their per capita income, they were behind it. However, even after achieving economic growth, the lifestyle and the quality of life of the people did not change. So the nations realized that it was an incorrect to believe that human development can be achieved only by economic growth. I hope the concept is clear to you. So now you can enter in your notebook what is human development and explain the meaning of human development. And the second question, what was the old thought of nation with respect to human development?